I passed out of college in 1997. When did you pass out?
You passed out?
Yeah, I passed out.
That's so sad.
Why is it so sad? What is sad about it? It's something to celebrate.
But it's nothing to celebrate, Nidhi.
I can't understand. Can you understand what's going on here? Think about it. Just rewind and think about it. I'll be back in a moment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that right away, and I'm going to see you. Were you able to find what was the problem in my sentence? I simply said I passed out of college in 1997. Don't we all speak like that? Having said that, it is not the right way to communicate what I want to say. So I want to tell you that I completed my college in 1997. But the way I said the sentence, the way I structured it, the words I used are not correct. So we Indians follow British English. And according to British English, pass out has two meanings. The first meaning is losing consciousness. You faint, maybe due to heat or any other reason, you faint and you lose consciousness. And the second meaning, this was also used for somebody who is finishing or going out of any military school. So in olden times and even today, it is also used for students who are finishing military school, a passing out parade. Most of us have heard about it. Now, we Indians have generalized it even for schools and colleges and even for individual grades that we complete. And that's where the problem lies. This is a typical way of Indianism, Indian English. So the correct sentence that I should say is, I graduated from college in 1997. Next time, don't just pass out. Use the right word and structure your sentence correctly. If you are trying to use this particular word to convey the meaning that you have completed that particular course or a degree or a class, then do not use pass out, use graduate. It's so simple, just about tweaking a few words here and there. Do let me know if this video helped you and you understood the reason why we shouldn't use this word. And if you have questions or doubts about any particular word, leave a comment below. And also connect with me on different platforms. The link is given with the description of this video. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do that right away, please. See you soon.